In this video, we're going to be looking at data packets, talking about why we need them, what they are, and how they're made up. Shouldn't take too long, but let's start off with why. Why do we need data packets? So when we send files, whether it's a picture file, a Word file, even an email, a video, doesn't really matter what, it's far too big. They're just too big to send as single chunks. Okay, so what we do is we split them up, right, into lots and lots of little pieces. Each one of those pieces is called a data packet. All right. Now, once we split these files up into single data packets, it means they can send a lot easier across the network, across the internet, and then be put back together when we get them. All right. So each data packet is made up of three main parts: a header, a payload, and a trailer. Okay. Inside of the header, you can expect to find the IP address of the sender. You can expect to find what number it is. All right. So, for example, this one might be number 1, this one number 2, this one number 3, and so on. That's so it can be put back in the right order once it's received. Okay. So the number the actual packet is in the file, and then finally you can expect to find the receiver's email address. Sorry, I'm saying email, I meant IP. Alright, so those three things you can expect to find in the header. Okay, in the payload, it's just the info itself, the information itself. Alright, so if you're sending a picture, it's the picture. If you're sending a Word document, it's the Word document itself. And then finally, in the trailer, you can expect to find a marker to say it's the end. Alright, so that's the end of the packet, not the end of the document. Alright, and you can expect to find error checking information. Right, now we go into error checking later on, so there'll be a separate video about different types of error checks, but the information to check to see if there's an error will be found in the trailer of the data packet. Okay, in terms of size, there's no set size, but they tend to be quite small, so you're talking about a maximum of around about 64 kilobytes per packet. All right, I don't think you probably get asked that in an exam, but it's a maximum of 64 kilobytes. Okay, and that's basically it for data packets. Okay, we need them because we need to split files up so they can send. Each data packet is made up of 3 separate bits: the header, the payload, and the trailer. Inside the header, you have the IP address of the sender, the IP address of the receiver, and the number in the document that the packet is. Inside the payload, you have the information itself, and inside the trailer, you have a marker to say it's the end of the packet and the error checking information. Okay.